Todd with Evolution Power Sports, and we're here at the Sand Sports Show, debuting our new big brake kit for the Can-Am Maverick X3. It's an all-billet 4-piston caliper, bolts directly on, with a semi-floating new stainless steel disc. The kit comes with calipers and rotors for all 4 corners of the car. We've been extensively testing this system on our desert race car, and the braking power is phenomenal. Brakes are something that's oftenly overlooked on these X3s, and the factory braking system is not nearly good enough for some of the bigger power cars that we're making. So we've set this up to be a really good dune desert kit at a price point that I think is really realistic. So look for this new big brake kit on our website in the next few weeks at evopowersports.com, and a full reveal on our street car concept.